Hey guys, Tommy V here. Sorry for the noise if it does get a bit noisy. I live on a main road, but just going to make a short video about one of the best modifications you can do to your Lancer or Mitsubishi Mirage.
It's one JC, boy!
I have just gotten from AUXITO. They're lucky enough to send me out their LED light kit with inline ballast resistors. So what that means is you can basically have a HID conversion in your car, no fuss, no wiring. It's just plug and play. And I'm super excited to show you guys the difference that it actually makes, because if you own a Lancer or you own a Mirage, you know the halogen globes are terrible. You know also that if you go on AliExpress and you get, like, for example, a set of LED bulbs, it's a significant improvement in color and in brightness. But this is like kind of another level of how to go the next step from that. And it's very affordable. It's only about $100. I have a discount code as well, which you guys can use. And yeah, super excited to show you guys how easy and how amazing this modification is. So it's a bit later in the day because I wanted to show you guys the difference at night. I'll show you guys basically a video of how the headlights look before, what I could see from outside the car before, and then what I can see after. But what I'll do is I'll show you how to install it first, and I'll take them out. I'll do the video comparison of the halogen globes, and you guys can see the difference. Super excited, guys. Stay tuned. And yeah, huge shout outs to AUXITO. They sent me out this promotional package and I'm super excited to chuck it in. Cheers, guys. So to give you guys a quick rundown of what you get, basically you get 2 of the inline resistors and you get the LED lights. I haven't actually opened it up yet because I was going to open it up with you guys. But it's a super simple conversion, and it shouldn't take any more than probably 5 or 10 minutes to install. So let's roll through it, and yeah, I'll quickly unbox it and let's do this. So I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what's going on here in the box, what you get, and yeah, it seems to be a super easy installation. So I haven't actually looked into it too much yet, but I just got back from holidays in Europe, so thought it'd be a good time to do it because it's getting dark and do have to go for a drive soon. So in the box we get, I'm assuming it's a set of H4 LED globes. Just whip that out. Oh, they even give you gloves. That's pretty cool. They give you gloves to install. Oh, they give you cable ties. They give you a manual. Oh yeah, okay. So this is where the plug. Yeah, okay. So you get the H4 globes, and you get these plugs, and I'm assuming the cable ties will be there so you can just tie everything out of the way, make sure it doesn't light on fire, and you know how that kind of stuff goes. But these look like some serious LEDs, to be honest. They actually have internal fans as well. Wow, interesting. And for the price point, yeah, it's pretty incredible that you can even get this. So you could run through, take them out. So what is it? Take them out, take the old ones out. Yep. Plug in, unplug that, yeah. And what else is there? Yeah, it's just, yeah, standard procedure of just changing the headlight bulbs basically, except using the plugs on the back side. So I think what the best thing to do probably is, maybe I'll just do one for now and you can see the difference immediately from the halogen globe to the other globe. And then I'll do a test with the halogen globes, well, it's just a little video on the car of what you can see. And then I'll do a test with the LED lights. So, but yeah. So to continue on, in this bag, just get it open. Doesn't go easy. So this is the really cool part actually, because I've never seen anything like this actually. So what they are is essentially it's a HID ballast. Well, as far as I understand, I don't know the exact technical specifics of it. So essentially what it would be is you plug your harness into here, I assume, and then, oh no, so you plug the LED light itself into here, like this. Super simple, super easy. Just chuck it straight in, boom. And then this would go to your wiring harness in your car, and that's it. That's the whole installation done. So super easy. So yeah, if you've ever wired in HIDs before, you know it's a CU in the Northern Territory. And the reason being is because you've got to do all the wiring, you've got to wire the ballast in, you've got to make sure that there's no short circuits, anything like that. You know, you got to make sure everything's, you know, spick and span basically. But this is just plug and play. It's actually really, really sick. So let's jump in. I'll put the bonnet. I'll start taking out the headlight, and I'll put the camera there so you guys can sort of see what I'm doing. And yeah, what I'll do is I'll show you a quick preview first of how the headlights look from the front of the car and from sort of inside. It's not that dark yet, so you probably won't really be able to see how bad they are, but like, just trust me. And the reason you're probably watching this is because your headlights do suck. Because Mirages, they're shockingly terrible. Like, it's actually dangerous at night how terrible it is. So yeah, I'll show you guys a quick video of how the headlights look now, and we'll go from there. So yeah, as you can see, like, it's still so dark that the camera image is literally just distorted. It's just that bad. I'll jump out of the car and show you from the front. It's just, yeah, they're not great. So, give me a sec. Like, not great, to be honest. It looks obviously a bit, you know, it looks a bit shit in the video, but pretty shockingly terrible. So yeah, I've just got the camera set up now so you can see what I'm doing. But essentially, super duper easy. The Mirages are pretty straightforward to do this. So you just got to take the plug off, take the plug itself off. It's like literally so easy. I don't even think I put the spring in properly, to be honest, and I did it last. So what I'll do is you take the dust cover off, like this, and then that exposes the globe. And I've just realized that the globe's been not even in there, and that's your globe. So you're essentially just replacing that, and you just got to get the spring. It's a bit hard because it's getting dark, but you just line it up. There should be, I believe there's actually a big one. Yes, and two small ones. So you line up the big one in the corner. Look at that. I'm gonna fuck the headlights in. That's so funny. Should put the dust cover on quickly. Just kind of hold it in. And bada bing, bada boom. Just plug that in, and then yeah, literally bada bing, bada boom. Just plug this side in, like this. Ideally, you should disconnect your battery, but I don't really care. And then you plug this side in. And then you just plug this side into here, make sure the prongs aren't bent. And then you just get a mechanic to help you install it. And yeah, essentially that's the setup. So headlight wiring harness into this ballast, and bada bing, bada boom, we're done. Have a look at this, guys. I don't know how well that comes on camera, but you can see this side. Look at the brightness of that bulb is like, and on this side it's like this. But when I look at this in person, that's probably, well, you can see how yellow it is, but also the shade of the color itself. Like, maybe if I look in the car, you'll see the difference between both sides. You can see the difference. Look at how dull that is, and this whole area is lit up. Maybe I'll put a video of how it looked before, but like, incredible difference, to be honest. It doesn't really come out on the camera. It probably will be a matter of taking the car onto the street and then doing the comparison test. But for such an easy mod, and yeah, sorry, my camera is just shocking. It's actually terrible. But yeah, you can definitely see in this video, look at how much brighter that is, you know? I'd say like 3 to 4 times brighter, easily. For a $100 mod, man, you can't go wrong with that. For safety, for being able to see in the dark, if you live in a place that's pretty dark or through the woods or whatever, it gets foggy as, what a massive difference. So essentially this is how bright the headlights are in current form, in stock form. Pretty horrible. So it is another day, and I just wanted to, now show you the results of the installation. So absolutely insane difference between the halogen globes. I'll put a little video of how they used to look, and then I'll swap back to this video. But that's incredible. For $100, honestly, considering how unsafe the headlights are in this car, there's no better deal, honestly. I've used the LEDs that don't have the ballast as well, but these are even brighter. Like honestly, I'm pretty sure they're so bright that someone just flashed me. I'll go into a dark street and we'll have a look at how they look. I know my windscreen's not the cleanest, but if you look at the reflections of the light on the reflective surfaces, it's just night and day. You really got to see it in person, you know. And this is the high beams. Like, I keep saying it, but it's just a great upgrade for the Mirage. And yeah, I'm so thankful that AUXITO sent me out this little package, and yeah, hopefully you guys can make this upgrade too, because it really, really helps, especially if you daily drive your Mitsubishi Lancer or your Mirage. Absolutely worthwhile investment. Cheers, guys.